I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make a basic tiny game that involves a cat catching a mouse and earning points. Let's get started. First, we want to get a mouse from here, so let's type mouse. There we go. We want to name the mouse mouse, not mouse 1, so we'll just delete that. Let's name this cat as well, not sprite 1. There we go. Okay, now let's get started with the code part. First you go on the mouse area and then you go in events. And when flag clicked, you bring glide to random position. There we go. Watch what happens. It just glides for 1 second. We want to glide it forever, so we'll just go in control and bring the forever block. Now watch what happens. Look, it never stops until you stop it. Okay, now let's go on the cat's code. The cat's code is going to be a bit harder, so let's just get started anyways. First, we'll drag four of these. 2 of them are change x by, and 2 of them are change y by. We bring these 2 blocks here. Now, we'll go in the event section and drag when space key pressed. Okay, now we'll change these to up arrows, down arrows, left arrows, and right arrows. Okay, there we go. If it's a down arrow, we'll change it by -10. There we go. And we will change the Y by 10 if it's up. If it's left arrow for X, we'll change X by -10. And if it's right arrow, we'll change X by 10. There we go. Now watch what happens. Whoa, check this out. Okay, we want the cat to get points when he touches the mouse, but we're not getting anything. So let's stop the code and go in variables. Now we'll click make a variable. Let's call it score. You can name it anything you want. There we go. Okay, we'll just leave it like that for now. And we'll drag change my variable by 1 and change this to score. Okay, now you'll go in the event section and bring when flag clicked. And go back in variables and bring set my variable to 0. Now you'll just change my variable to score. There we go. Every time you restart the game, the score resets. Okay, now comes the hard part. How do we make the cat get the point? So first, you'll go in this area and then you bring when flag clicked. Okay, and now we bring the for everything and bring change score by 1. Okay, let's try it out. Can you guys see the problem? Yes, that's right, it keeps getting points. And we don't want to get points like that. Plus, why is it just earning points? We want to get points when it touches the mouse. So we'll stop there and then go in sensing. And we'll drag this touching mouse pointer and select mouse. And then we'll just bring this here for now. Okay, now where do we go? Okay, we'll bring this here and we'll put touching mouse here. Okay, Let's put this here. Done. Okay, now let's see what happens. Uh-oh, there seems to be a problem. Can you guess what it is? Yes, that's right. If you said this, you're correct. You should have said the score keeps changing by a lot when you touch it. So, if you want to fix this problem, just stop it first and then go in the control section. Bring wait 1 second block. And now drag this here. Okay, let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It seems to get correct. There we go. We keep earning points when the mouse touches us. Not just like earning a lot of points. Okay, we might want to make this a bit nicer. Just go in backdrops. You can either paint your own backdrop or just pick a surprise one, upload one, or choose one. I'll just choose one for now. Maybe this background is good. Yeah, I like this background. Let's select that. Okay. We can also make the game easier or harder. How? Simple. We can just go here and change the size. Like maybe make it 50. And now it's way harder for the cat to get it. Just watch. See? It's kind of hard to get it. But at the same time, when it glides in random positions, it's kind of easy to get it. But still, let's just try to get this. Okay. We can also make it even smaller if you want to. Maybe 25 maybe? I can barely see this mouse now. Let's try it out again. Okay. This is getting a bit hard. Let's make it 150. Okay, now let's start again. Now it's way easier to catch the mouse because it's bigger and occupies most of the screen. Okay, there we go. Let's just change it back to 100, I guess. Yeah, we can also change the cat size, but we'll just keep it like it is for now. We can also change this one down arrow to any key you want, and you can also do the same with the up, left, and right. With the X, change by X, you can also choose move 10 steps or move minus 10 steps. It just does the same thing for X. Just watch. Okay. There we go. Now it's starting to work. Okay, let's just get it one more time. There we go. Okay, I guess our video ends here. Thanks for watching today's video, and until next time, have fun.